Hello viewers on YouTube. In this video tutorial, we are going to focus on finding the harmonic mean of both group and ungrouped data. So first and foremost, let's talk about the formula that helps us to do that. So for an ungrouped data, which I will write for short as UG, the harmonic mean HM is equal to n divided by the summation of 1 over x. You already know what n is as the quantity of the distribution, while x is the distribution or the corresponding distribution. Okay. Now for a group data, which I will write as G, the harmonic mean HM is equal to n divided by the summation of 1 over x, but this time around we are multiplying by the frequency. And that is the difference between the formulas. Now let's put them into good use. Example number 1. Consider this ungrouped distribution. How can we find the harmonic mean? Well, first and foremost, I recommend you always write the formula as it will definitely carry mark. So the harmonic mean is n divided by the summation of 1 over x. So therefore, how many quantities are there? 2, 4, 6. So we have 6 quantities. So n is equal to 6. So we have 6 divided by. So we are having the reciprocal of all the function. Sorry, all the distribution or data. So that's 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 14. So that's it. The goal now is just to add all this up using our calculator. So let's do that right here. In decimal, I got 0.865. So if I divide 6 by that, we got 6.929. So that is our harmonic mean of the distribution. And that's how to find the harmonic mean of an ungrouped data. Now what about group data? How can we find the harmonic mean? Let's look into that as well. So consider the frequency distribution tally table. How can we find the harmonic mean? The harmonic mean HM for a group data is equal to n divided by the summation of 1 over x multiplied by f. So which means in this case, n would be summation of f because we are having a group data. So let's add this up. 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 8 is 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 3 is 24. So n is equal to 24. If n is 24, then the harmonic mean becomes 24 divided by. So we are adding all the frequencies together. Would that please be enough? Let me use the other side. That won't really be enough. So therefore, harmonic mean will now be equals to 24, and entirely is divided by, so the sum of f times x. Well, I almost forgot, we haven't find x, so we need the value of x. To find x, you just add these two numbers together respectively and be dividing your result by 2. That will be the value of x. So let's put that within this column. 0 plus 4 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. 5 plus 9 is 14 divided by 2 is 7. 10 plus 14 is 24 divided by 2 is 12. 15 plus 19 is 34 divided by 2 is 17. And 20 plus 24 is 44 divided by 2 is 22. So these are the corresponding values of x. So therefore we can proceed on finding the harmonic mean, and that will become, so for 2 as the mark, the frequency is 3. So that will be f over x, that's 3 over 2. 1 over x times f becomes f over x. Perfect. So just be taking the frequency and be dividing by the corresponding mark and keeps on adding your final result. So that will be plus, the frequency of this is 6, the mark is 7. That's 6 over 7 plus 8 over 12 plus 4 over 17 Then finally plus 3 over 22. Then you type this into your calculator and have your final answer. So we now have 24 divided by, so let's add all these fractions together. In decimal, I got 3.395. So while typing, I realized that this is supposed to be 22 and not 24. So keep that in mind. Let me use different colors so you can see where exactly I'm trying to highlight. So this is supposed to be 22. Perfect. So let's divide 24 with our results. Notice that 24 divided by 3.395 gives us 7.069. So that is our final answer. And that's how to find the harmonic mean of group data as well. I hope you find this helpful and understandable. Thanks for watching. This is the exercise. Feel free to share a solution via the comment section below. So provide the harmonic mean to this frequency distribution tally table. Thank you. Bye for now.